Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what storage you need and why. Pick capacities and redundancy now. Order drives, a case with sufficient drive bays, a motherboard or HBA card, and a PSU with 20% headroom. While waiting, download the OS image and prepare a USB installer so you can start immediately. Once parts arrive, label drives and verify firmware versions. This saves confusion later. Make sure to have basic tools and anti-static precautions ready before you power on any hardware. You mount drives into the case, secure them, and route cables to avoid obstructing airflow. Once done, install an HBA or RAID card if required. Make sure BIOS sees all drives and set controller mode to ASI or pass-through depending on your plan. Boot the installer USB, follow prompts to partition drives, and choose a file system or software RAID level. Explain why XFS or ZFS might suit large arrays. When configuring arrays, verify each disk identifier so you don't overwrite data by mistake. You finish by updating the OS, installing file share services, and setting user permissions and quotas. Once done, enable smart monitoring, schedule regular scrubs and automated backups so data integrity is maintained. Make sure network settings and firewall rules allow intended access without exposing the box. If something goes wrong, like a missing drive, stop, check cables and power, reseat the drive, and run smart tests. If errors persist, isolate the bay and replace the drive to protect the array and recover reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.